Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of I've been
it's another vlog, and today we're going to cook together. I want to cook ugali and sukuma wiki. I want to boil the meat. There's no electricity, so I want to boil very fast before my phone goes off. And then I cut my sukuma. I think if you've already watched the other vlog, I already cut my boga kienyeji. I've already boiled them. Yeah, so if you've not watched the first one, please go and watch and then continue watching, or finish this one and then you go ahead and watch the other one, because I'm going to pin it on the card somewhere at the end. And this is what we are having: sukuma, spinach and kunde. So I'll wash them. So I want to cut the sukuma very fast, and then we cook ugali. Done. So I'm done cutting. I transfer them here because this is the same chopping board I'll be using. I'm going to add my onions. So I'm also going to add the kunde. Remember the kunde we were boiling yesterday? This is what I'm going to add here so that they can cook together. And then continue mixing. So this one is ready. We're going to make our beef stew. So I believe beef is already loaded with oil, so I'm not going to add any oil. I'm going to add onions. So I added onions and salt, and I did not add oil, but if you want you can add a little oil. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. I love you guys.
So this is how I normally store my sukuma. I wrap them in these. Oh, they want to fall down. So most people buy them when they are cut, but I like cutting mine because I don't know how they have washed. Those people selling, you don't know if they have enough water to wash and rinse until the sukumas are clean.